Ever painstakingly saved up those Commbank Awards points, dreaming of that dream vacation or that shiny new gadget, only to find out they've vanished into thin air? If that sounds like a nightmare, you're not alone. Today, we're diving deep into the burning question: do Commbank Awards points actually expire? Let's face it, points are like little digital treasures. You hoard them, you protect them, and the last thing you want is for them to suddenly disappear. So, do Commbank Awards points follow the same cruel fate as those loyalty points from your favorite coffee shop that mysteriously evaporate after a year? Let's find out. First things first, let's talk about what Commbank Awards points actually are. They're essentially reward points you earn when you use your Commbank credit card for everyday purchases. Every dollar you spend, you're inching closer to that redemption goal. But the real question is, can you actually enjoy the fruits of your spending labor? Now, the good news is, Commbank Awards points don't have an arbitrary expiration date. You won't wake up one morning to find your hard-earned points have turned into dust. That's a huge relief, right? However, there's a catch. While your points might not expire, the program itself is subject to change. Commbank reserves the right to modify the terms and conditions, including the redemption options available to you. So, while your points might be safe, the things you can actually spend them on might change. But wait, there's more. Even though your points are technically immortal, there are some things to keep in mind. To maintain your Commbank Awards membership, you generally need to keep your credit card active and in good standing. This means making regular payments and avoiding any late fees or defaults. If your card gets canceled or falls into arrears, there's a chance you could lose your points. So, while your points themselves might not expire, your ability to use them certainly can if you're not careful. Another thing to consider is point capping. Commbank has a system in place to limit the number of points you can earn in a year. This cap resets on January 1st each year. So, while you can accumulate points beyond the cap, they won't count towards your redemption balance until the new year. So, to sum it up, Commbank Awards points don't have a traditional expiration date, but that doesn't mean they're immune to disappearing. The key is to stay informed about the program's terms and conditions, keep your credit card in good standing, and redeem your points before any major changes occur. And remember, while points are great, they're not a guaranteed path to financial freedom. It's essential to balance rewards with responsible spending. Don't let the chase for points overshadow your overall financial health. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.